Welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss the comparison of fraction exercise 4. Okay, I already told you fraction is not like a real number. We cannot compare as it is. We have to check the given fraction is what type of fractions. We know there are 6 type of fractions. I already told you. Then we have to check the given fraction is which type of fraction. Then we have to we have some rules and regulation. Then as per the rule we have to compare that given fraction. First of all, here the exercise 4, the first sum, the given two fraction. Now we want to find out which is the greater fraction and which is the smaller fraction. Okay, then here this is the proper fraction and we can say as a like fraction. Okay, because the two fraction have same denominator. So if this we have rule, this fraction satisfy the rule 1. Okay, this fraction satisfy the rule 1. If you see in your book, there have two rule. Rule 1, that if two fractions have same denominator, the greater numerator is greater. As per the rule 1, if you see 7 by 11, 9 upon 11, if you see the greater numerator is 9. So this is the big. So I will put the less than symbol. So this is the big compare than 7 by 11. Okay. Now let me move on. Second one. If you see 5 by 9, 5 by 7, the numerator is same. This fraction satisfies for rule 2. That if two fractions have same numerator, the greater denominator is smaller. Okay, so as per the rule, here greater denominator 9 is the greater denominator as per the rule 2. So this is the smaller. So 5 by 7 is the bigger compared than this. This is the bigger. Okay, so then third one, if you see here numerator also not same, denominator also not same. So now we cannot compare as it is. So we want to find out LCM. I told you first video. First we have to, if you want to compare, we have to make it all the denominator same. Then we can say which is greater, which is smaller. Okay. So as per the rule, I am going to find out LCM of 12 and 8. Okay. First I will find out the multiples of 8. Okay. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. Okay, enough. Now I am going to find out 12 multiples. 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 12s are 36. 4 12s are 48. Enough. Now if you see, 24 is the common multiple of both 12 and 8. So 12 is the least common multiple LCM. So I will keep the 24 as a LCM. So I am going to modify the denominator as 24. Okay. So I am going to convert 12 denominator as 24. So what I will do, I am going to multiply. Which number if you multiply with 12, it will become 24. So we want to find out. So 2 12s are 24. Yes, no? So 5 into 2 divided by 12 into 2. If you multiply by 2, we can get 5 into 2 10 divided by 2 12s are 24. Then here 2 into 2. Sorry, not 2. Yes, now we want to find which number if you multiply with 8, it will become 24. So 8 table, 8 3s are 24. So if you multiply upside 3, downside 3. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 8 3s are 24. So now see 9 24. Now as per the rule 1, that two fraction same denominator, then greater numerator is greater. So 10 is the greater numerator. So this is the bigger than this. So I will put like this. So 5 by 12 compare than 3 by 8, this is the big. Okay. Then here, now 4 by 9, 7 by 12. If you check, denominator not same, numerator also not same. So we have to find out LCM, then after we have to compare which is the bigger than that. Okay. So 9, I am going to find out multiple of 9. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45. Okay. Then 15. 1 15 is 15, 2 15 is 30, 3 15 is 45, then 4 15 60. Enough. Now if you find out least common multiple, 45, 45. So 45 is the LCM. So LCM is 45. So what I will do, I am going to do, I want to convert all the denominator as 45. So I want to 9 as a 45, I want to convert. So if you multiply to which number, 9 become 45. Okay, 9 5s are 45. So 4 multiplied by 5, 9 multiplied by 5. So 4 5s are 20, 9 5s are 45. Okay. Now the denominator becomes 45. Okay, here 15 is there. In which number if you multiply with 15, it will become 45. 3 50s are 45. So upside 3, downside 3. So 7 3s are 21, 3 5s are 45. 3 50s are 45. Now both denominators same. Then as per the rule, which if two fractions have same denominator, the greater numerator is greater. So 21 is the greater numerator. So this is the big. So we can put like this. This is the big compared than this. So I hope you understand how to compare the given fraction. For first we have to check the both numerator or denominators numerator. Then after that, if not same, we have to find out LCM. Then after that, we have to check which is the greater fraction. Okay. Okay. Now let me talk about how to add the fraction, means addition of fraction. We know how to compare the fraction. Let me discuss addition of fraction. In this fraction, have all the denominator are same. All the denominator are same. It means 5 by 14, 7 upon 14, 1 upon 14. So the denominator all are same. If this kind of fraction, if you add, simply you can take denominator same, then add numerator like this. 5 plus 7 plus 1 upon 14. If you add this all, 8 plus 5, 13 divided by 14. This is the answer. So when we add, you have to check the fraction, given fraction. If it is the denominator all are same, you just add numerator to all and take common denominator. Okay, so 14 is the common. I will take 14 as the common denominator. Then I will add all the numerator. So 13 by 14 is the addition of this fraction. Okay. Let me take another example. Okay, this fraction 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 2 by 7. Okay, before we talk some example sum, their fraction have same denominator. So simply we add all the numerator and we take common denominator. We just find out, just we add it. Okay, but here if you see the denominator is different, numerator also different, so we can't add as it is. So now we have to find out LCM, then we have to convert as per the LCM, then we can add it. Okay, so first of all I am going to find out the multiple of 5 and 7 because 2 7s are there. So I will take 5 and 7. I am going to find out multiple. So 5 multiple, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This is the multiple of 5, you know very well. Then 7, 1 7 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 49, then 70. Okay. Oh, 56. Okay, this much enough. Now, this is the multiple of 5, this is the multiple of 7. Now, we want to find out the common multiple. 7, 10, 14, 21, 28, 25, 35, 35. So, 35 is the least common multiple. Okay. So, I find the LCM. Now, what I am going to do? All the denominator to convert the LCM of 35. That is the next step. Okay. So, LCM is 35. Now I am going to find out all the denominator as same. So as per the rule 1. Okay. So first of all, I am going to multiply by 5 with which number? It becomes 35. Okay. So 3 by 5 is a fraction, given fraction. If you multiply any number, it will become 35. So what is the number? Then 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So you have to multiply up and down. It means numerator, denominator. So 7 7. If you multiply 3 7s are 21. 5 7s are 35. Okay, finish. Now that's 6 by 7. 7 is there. In which number if you multiply, it will become 35. 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay. So I will multiply by 5 down and upside 5. Both same, we got to multiply. Okay. So 6 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Sorry, 30, 35. Okay, then third one, 2 by 7. Here 7 is there, same. 5. I am going to multiply by 5. 7 5s are 35 now. So here 5. So 2 5s are 10. 7 5s are 35. If you see, all the denominator same. So as per the rule 1, all the denominator is same. So we can add numerator. We will take denominator one common denominator. Okay. So now I will collect 21 divided by 35. Okay. Then plus 30, 35, 10, 35. So if you take 35 is common. So 21 plus 30 plus 10, then 20 plus 30, 51, then 10, 61. 61 divided by 35. If you notice this fraction, it's an improper fraction. 61 by 35 is improper fraction. Now improper fraction, we want to convert the mixed fraction. So 26 divided by 35. This is the answer. How? 126 by 35. If you multiply this, 1 divided by 1, 26 by 35. If you cross multiply 35 plus 26, then 135 is 35. Then 20 plus 35, 50 plus 61. So 61 by 35. So answer is correct. So we can write 61 by 35, we can write 1, 26 by 35, we can write as it is. Okay? Do you understand what I am telling? 61 by 35, we can write as 1, 26 by 35. If you multiply this, cross multiply, you can get 61 by 35. But this is not an improper fraction, so we can write mixed fraction. Okay? Welcome students. Last video, we talked about the addition of fraction. We were discussed two different types of fraction, how to add. We know that. Today I am coming for addition of fraction for new another method, but another concept. That is first video in first class we were talk about like fraction. If this kind of fractions it will come, how you can add. I told you, just take common denominator, add all the numerator, just we add that. Then second method, this is unlike fraction, this is like fraction, unlike fraction. So we take all denominator LCM, we find the LCM, then after we converted that LCM, then after that we add all the fractions. But now this is mixed fraction. If this kind of fraction it will come, how you will add. So now we are going to see about mixed fraction. If 1 3 upon 8, 1 2 upon 3 and 2 7 by upon 12. If this kind of fraction we call mixed fraction. If this kind of sums if you solve, how to solve, I will tell you one by one. Okay, listen carefully. Welcome students. Now we are going to add mixed fraction. Okay, so we cannot add as it is, we have to do some modification, changes, then after we can add. So what are the modifications we want to do? Then we have rules and regulation, we have to follow the rules, we have to modify that, then we can finally add this fraction. So we cannot add as it is. So first we have to do, first step, we are going to I'm going to do cross multiply. So if you cross multiply this 3 by 8, okay, so if you multiply 8, so 1 8 is 8, okay, plus 3 upon 8, okay. Then if you multiply this 3 plus 2 upon 3, okay. If you multiply this 24 plus 7 by 12. Do you understand how to cross multiply? You have to take this denominator, multiply by this. So 1 8 is 8. Then after we have to add this 8 plus 3. Okay. Then you have to take this denominator 3 and multiply by the 1. So 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. Okay. Then you have to take this denominator, multiply by this. 2 12s are 24. 24 plus 7. Okay. So now I am going to add this. So 8 plus 3 11. Okay. 11 by 8, comma, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, comma, 24 plus 7, 31 by 12. So now it's not a proper fraction, it's a improper fraction. Okay, because denominator is small, numerator is big. So this we call this fraction is called improper fraction. Okay, now we want to find out. We want to add. Okay, so that now I am going to find out these all denominator for same. Okay, so I am going to find out LCM of all the denominator. So for that I am going to use this method 8 3 12 by division method. So first I will divide by 2. 4 8s are 4 2s are 8. 3 we cannot divide, so I will take as it is. So for 6 2s are 12. Again I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Again 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 as it is. Now Again I will divide by 3, 1 as it is, 1, 1. Now if you take all the factors, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you multiply with all these, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the LCM of this all denominator. So I find the LCM. Now I am going to convert all the denominator same. Okay. So use this LCM. I am going to convert all the denominator same. Okay. So here 8 is there. Now see, I want to convert 8 as a 24. So which number, if you multiply with 8, it will come 24. So if you say the 8 table, you can find 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Yes, na? 3 8s are 24. Okay. So you have to multiply up and down. Already I told you 11 divided by 8 multiplied by 3 divided also 3. So if you multiply by both 3 upon 3, 11 3s are 33, then 8 3s are 24. Okay, one is converted. Again the second one 5 by 8. So 5 by 8. Okay, now here 3 is there. Which number, if you multiply with 3, it will become 24. Then 8 3s are 24. So we have to multiply up and down both 3 and 3. So 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Okay, then third one 31 and 12. 31 and 12. Okay, which number, if you multiply with 12, it will become 24. 2 12s are 24. So we have to multiply up and down both 2. So into 2 into 2. So 2 31s are 62. 2 12s are 24. If you see here, denominator same, all the denominators same. As per the fraction rule 1, if the fractions denominator are same, okay, the given fraction higher numerator is higher. As per that rule, now I converted all the denominators same. Now we can add easily. I already told you in previous sum. I told you if the same denominator, it means we have to take denominator, then numerator we just add. Now we are going to use that method. Okay. So here there is no space. I will rub this. Okay. We know it's a mixed fraction. First, what we do, actually what we do, we have to convert say improper fraction, right? So what I will do, I have to do cross multiplication. Then after we got improper fraction, then after take all the denominator LCM, then I have to convert all the numerators same. So denominator same. Now 1 by 3 upon 8, we got 33 by 24. Then 2 upon 3, 40 by 24. Then 2 7 upon 12, 62 by 24. Now all the denominators same. So we can add easily. Let me see. 33 plus 40 plus 62 whole divided by 24. So 20, because all the denominators same. So now we can add easily. So steps 2, 33 plus 40, 73, 70 plus 60, how much? 90, 133, 135. 135 divided by 24. If you see 24, denominator is small, numerator is big. It's not a improper. It's an improper fraction. Okay, so we want to we know already we discussed how to convert improper fraction as a mixed fraction. So as per that, now I am simplify this. 8 3s are 24. See, if I divide 8 3s are 24. Okay, then 345. If you multiply both, see 3 45s are 135, 8 3s are 24. So this is the way I am simplify this. Now 45 8 now. Again I will simplify this. 5 upon 8. How? Because if you cross multiply 8 5s are 40, 40 plus, see I will tell you, if you cross multiply 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 5 upon 8, so 45 upon 8. So we can write 45 8 as like this, 5 by 8. This is the answer. We don't write like this, but for your reference I wrote here, but answer is 5 upon 8. This is the answer. It's a mixed fraction. So now we add this kind of fraction easily. I hope students you understand how to add this mixed fraction. Okay.